Hi there, Oddy of Marslands Accountants here. Are you a landlord who's renting your property out to somebody that you know, whether that be a close family member or a friend, and haven't been declaring their rental income? Well, this video is for you. Essentially, we get some clients who have come to us in the past who haven't declared their income for similar reasons, mainly because as it's a friend or a family member, you are letting it out cheaper than the market value. And because of that, you might not be making a profit. So you may just make it to cover the mortgage payments that you're making, or even the mortgage interest payments if you look up and know that it's only the mortgage interest that's ever been an allowable expense and is now only a restricted loan interest relief that's given instead. But either way, you still need to declare to HMRC. Essentially, if you're making any income from the property, it should be declared to HMRC, whether or not there's a profit or not. So if you haven't declared, like we've had many others in the past, and HMRC know that there are many out there still, the Let Property campaign was brought in originally for these people. Now is a great time to go ahead with this, because obviously with a new government in charge, we don't know what changes are gonna occur, and obviously the Let Property campaign may change. We hope not, and we believe that it should hopefully continue, but while it is still here and definitely here, it is best to get up to date with it, because if HMRC finds you, they're going to go through a tax inquiry instead, and this will be more expensive, take more time up, and it's going to be a lot more hassle than going through the Let Property campaign. If you don't know much about the Let Property campaign, we've done many videos on it before. You can look up and find out what happens, how it occurs. But essentially, it's the best way for landlords who haven't declared to come forward. And if you have not done it for only just the 1 year, and it is that you've been declaring your rental income and you've been letting to somebody that you know, the other thing to consider is the rules are slightly different if you are letting below market value when it comes to making losses and things like that. So it may be worth getting an accountant as well if you aren't sure on these kind of things. But for the Let Property campaign, if this is something that you need our help with, because at Marslands we are specialists in the Let Property campaign and have helped our clients save lots in tax, the best way to get in contact with us about this is go to our website, which is marslands.co.uk. You can go on there and you'll see a button that says get a quote now. If you click that one, it will generate a quote for you based on some questions that you just have to fill in. It shouldn't take you long. If it doesn't give you a quote because your situation is a bit more complex and need a bespoke quote, we'll send you one across, and it will then give you the option to book a meeting with one of our specialists. But if you're a bit confused on how the process works, we also have a video explaining how to fill in our form on our website. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.